Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use ghostwriting for a book. First, you need to clearly define your book's vision. Think about its core message, who you want to reach, and what you hope to achieve. Consider the genre, whether it's a memoir or a business guide, and its approximate length, perhaps 50,000 to 80,000 words. Gathering any existing notes or outlines you have will provide a strong foundation for your ghostwriter. Next, finding the right ghostwriter is crucial. Look for someone with experience in your book's genre and a writing style that aligns with your voice. Conduct thorough interviews to ensure good chemistry and discuss all project specifics. A professional contract is essential, detailing deliverables, timelines, and payment schedules, often broken into 3 or 4 installments. This ensures a smooth and transparent collaboration. Once engaged, the ghostwriter will conduct detailed interviews, sometimes over several days, to gather your stories and insights. They will then create an outline, perhaps 2 to 10 pages, for your review. You'll receive chapter drafts as they are written, providing feedback for revisions. This iterative process, involving 2 or 3 major drafts, ensures the final manuscript truly reflects your unique voice and vision. Finally, after the writing and revision phases, you will approve the polished manuscript following professional editing and proofreading. Discuss publishing options with your ghostwriter or a publishing consultant, whether it's traditional publishing or self-publishing. Remember, a book's journey doesn't end with writing. Planning for marketing and promotion is vital to ensure your message reaches its intended audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.